My name is Yakshika. Today I am going to show you the hand gestures or hastas, which are two types, Samyukta and Asamyukta hastas. So let's start with Samyukta hastas. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kartarimukha, Mayura, Ardhachandra, Arala, Shukatundakaha, Musti, Shikara, Kapita, Katakamukaha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sarpasirsa, Mrugashisa, Simhamuka, Kangula, Alapadmakaha, Chaturo, Brahmaraschaiva, Hamsasyu, Hamsapakshakaha, Samtamshu, Mukulaschaiva, Tamrachulas, Trishulakaha. Idiya Samyukta Hastanam Astavimshaki Girivanaha. Anjalischa, Kapotascha, Karkata, Swastikastataha, Dholahasta, Pushpaputa, Utsanga, Shivalingakaha, Katakavardhanaschaiva, Kartari Swastikastataha, Shakatam, Shankar, Chakrescha, Samputa, Palshakilakau, Mastya, Kurma, Varaha, Garudo, Nagabandataha, Katava, Berunda, Avahirta. So we have finished Samyukta and Asamyukta hastas.